Hello and welcome to Joyful Tune-ins. This is Kenji. And today we're going to do judgment. So let's come into the now moment through the power of a very deep and long and slow breath in and out, grounding with the new earth, stabilizing all of your energy fields. And today we're going to tap into the energy and consciousness of the Buddha and what he represented to mankind in his last incarnation. So we're going to open up the mental body, and you're going to bring forth, as a collective energy, all of your self-judgments that you made upon yourself in situations and people, places, and things and events from the past that have caused you distress and suffering, anxiety, pain, discomfort, shame, guilt, sadness, loneliness, depression, all of it. And we're going to, as we tap in and merge with this Buddha power, or that which the Buddha represented as non-judgment, as what we would call neutrality, or being the observer or the voyager, using our innate ability of perception from the oneness, from the place beyond duality, and imagine that you are replacing all of those experiences of self-judgment that have caused you suffering and stress and discomfort. You are replacing it with the power of presence, the power of non-judgment, the power of observation of what truly is. It's the power of stillness. It is the power that sees all things as they truly are, as opposed to how we wish it to be. So allow this energy to move through all those places of judgments within your mental body that have caused you stress and worry. And begin to replace all of that with the power of universal, non-judgmental, clear perception or experience of what is beyond the veil. So take a deep breath, move that energy through your body. The power of neutrality, of non-judgment, being the observer and the voyager within all of your life experiences, and seeing all of life and humanity for what they truly are. So allow this energy now to move through your day and into the dream time, allowing whatever comes up emotionally to just simply be, accept, allow, bless, and allow it to heal. All misperceptions can be healed through clarity and right use of will, or the right use of intentions and choices. So thank you for tuning in, and have a very blessed, non-judgmental week of clarity and purpose. So until next time, many blessings.